Here's what's going on. Severe thunderstorm watch. This is very likely going to get canceled at some point for the Metroplex, but it technically includes the Dallas-Fort Worth area till 10 p.m. The high today was 91. The low this morning 77. The normal is 93 and 74. Right now 84. That is some rain-cooled and dried air. So DFW is at 84. The dew points are in the upper 60s, so it only feels like 88. That's not bad. The winds are out of the northeast now because, again, rain-cooled air from Collin County has kind of fanned it down into Tarrant and Dallas County. You can actually see it right here. Take a look. So there's the thunderstorms that were in Collin County. See this line right here? Little outflow boundary. So rain-cooled air, there's DFW. It's now south of DFW. If you're watching from Arlington, Fort Worth, Benbrook, Burleson, a lot of bees going on there. It will get a little bit cooler and a little bit drier too as that air moves in. Here are the thunderstorms now. You can see they're moving into eastern portions of the area. Van Zandt County, eastern Kaufman County. Watching this little segment of the thunderstorm, eastern Kaufman County, maybe some hail out of that one. Moving toward Maybank. There's Canton seeing some very heavy rain. Not severe right now, but gusty winds, maybe some small hail out of this. So you can see a wide view here shows you it's eastern portions of North Texas. We'll take a break from most of the area here this evening. So there's 8 p.m. We'll go through 9 and 10 pretty quiet. By midnight, we've got to watch the thunderstorms out in the panhandle of Texas. Those will start to move into our area. Some of those could be severe. The expectation is as they move into North Texas, they weaken. So there's 1 o'clock. So some thunder, some lightning, some rain, maybe some gusty winds and hail. But again, the severe threat, not zero, but it is low. That's 1 a.m. 2 o'clock in the morning, northern portions of the area, mainly north of I-20, really, the best chance to see the thunderstorms overnight. There's 3 o'clock in the morning, and then it's out of here by the time we get to Saturday morning. Saturday's rain chance very low, mainly west of the Metroplex. There could be a pop-up. That's the 10%. Sunday, no rain chance. Very safe bet we're getting to 100. In fact, 104 is the forecast high Sunday. It's going to be hot, humid, and breezy. Heat index values up to 113 tomorrow. We have a heat advisory in effect. Doesn't include the Metroplex. That'll change by tomorrow for Sunday. We expect that to be in effect. And then take a look. It's not pretty. 103 Monday, 105 Tuesday, 106 Wednesday. Heat index values in excess of 110 degrees Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and beyond. 10-day forecast doesn't get much better. Tonight, 78 degrees. Scattered storms, warm and very muggy. Tomorrow, 99. Breezy, hot, and humid. Very low storm chance mainly to the west. There's the next 10 days. 104 on Sunday. What do you think of that, Mike?
Goodness, are you kidding?
Do you have to be out in that by chance any this week that you can think of?
Yeah, probably here and there.
Well, I'll do what everyone always says to do. Drink lots of water.
For a run Wednesday about 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
What?
Unreal, man.
I mean, Chris, does it, listen, my friend, I love you and I appreciate you, but does it look like I run? Like, maybe one day. Just not today. And certainly not this week.
Yeah.
Did I laugh too hard at that?
Yeah, you did. We'll talk about it after the break.